Hey guys, what's up? I feel like now that I always say that in every video, I have to start it out like that because it's kind of our thing, you know? And no, I'm not drunk. It's 12 o'clock right now. I'm just excited. I'm wearing a little romper thing. It's like a pantsuit, but it kind of is like high waters, so I don't know what shoes to wear with it. It's really cute. It has like a little tie right here. Anyways, I just showered, so I was like, I don't know what to do with this hair, so that's what I did. I feel like I haven't done a YouTube video in weeks. That's because it has been weeks, but I just feel like that's unacceptable. I don't know if you guys can see, my skin is looking pretty good. But anyways, back to the makeup. The shadows I'm going to be using today are from the Deck of Scarlet collection. And I got 8 of these bad boys in singles. I really like getting singles of brands that I like because then I can go ahead and put them in a bigger, like, magnetized palette. And this is obviously, like, disgusting. I need to clean it out. But I plan on like revamping this and putting all of my new favorite shadows in it. I just want this to be like my go-to palette. I got like 4 metallic shades and then 4 matte shades. So I think the shades I'm going to be using today are going to be more of the warmer toned ones. And like I said, these can magnetize into your palette. And online they actually have the palettes that you can buy separately to magnetize these into, so you can have your own little like cute little collection. Warmer shades, probably some of this brown right here and this brown, because I think these all look really good together. I never have a game plan. I'm always so unorganized, so I'm just winging it. See, they come in these little individuals. This is in the shade Kim. So pretty. My homegirl Amy Rose. Oh shit. Oh my god. But I'll put all the links and all that down below for the shadows if you're interested. And let's just move on to the tutorial. Alright, so I already primed my eyes with concealer. I think I'm going to start off with this neutral shade. It's a perfect transition color. This one's called Selfie, because I'm going to take a lot of those after this. Woo! It's already pigmented. Yes. So I'm just gonna kind of put that on the outer corner of my eye. I'm really liking this color already. It's kind of like fleshy. I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade IRL, and it's a lot more orange. I'm gonna take this dense brush and try to pack some of that orange on the lid. There we go. Showing up a lot better now. Alright, now that we are all orange, I'm going to go ahead and take that shimmery shade. It's kind of like a corally pink. I'm just going to put that all over my lid. So pretty! Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and take that shade Amy Rose. And I'm going to put that right in the tear duct here. And along my brow bone. Alright, next I'm going to be taking some Cover FX liquid eyeshadow. This is in the shade Amethyst. It can be like either really intense or you can kind of dumb it down, which is what I've been doing. I put some on the lid like that and it's super metallic-y, but I like to do this, which just makes it like a bunch of sparkles. Show you. And it just gives it kind of like that reflect. I do it right in the middle and then I just blend it out with my finger. Alright, now I'm just going to put some mascara on to prime the lashes for the false lashes. I'm using just some Wet n Wild, a new Wet n Wild mascara. Alright, now I'm going to do a wing and I'm using this Stila micro tip liquid liner. I feel like so weird saying that. If you can talk while doing this, like, you have some fucking talent. I haven't ate yet, so my hands are all shaky. Alright, now for some lashes. I'm going to be using these ones from Red Aspen. Check it out. Okay, what just happened? Hold the phone. I was looking... Okay, first of all, lashes, beautiful. Third of all, I was trying to fix my liner on top. Couldn't find it. Couldn't find it anywhere for 10 minutes. I go to stand up. It's because maybe I'm missing something. Sure enough, I was sitting on it. But that's not even the best part. My new romper. I haven't even worn it today. Today's the first day. I thought my butt was just sweaty. Look.
Look at it.
Woo! You can do this, Jessica. $40 romper. So basically in the comments section, if y'all know how to get out Stila liquid liner out of denim, that'd be great. Woo! We're back. I'm in a better mood now because Chris was like, well, why don't you just cut your pants and turn it into like a jumper? So I was like, oh my god, I could just make it into shorts because it's like right on the cusp of like my butt. I used Lancome foundation. Now I'm going to be using some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I used to not like this stuff because my skin was always really dry and it like caked up. But now I love it. Now I'm just going to be setting my whole face with this Marc Jacobs Coconut Setting Powder. For contour, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Powder Foundation. I love this stuff. I got this at TJ Maxx. I don't know, maybe for like $5. For highlight, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Baked Blush. I'm obsessed with these. Figured since I kind of have an orange vibe going on, I'm going to use this shade Hummingbird Hype. Hummingbird Hype! So basically, I'm just going to put that everywhere. I love these because they are blinding. It's like a peachy coral correlation. Alright, and for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Desiderio Cosmetics Liquid Lip. This is, I think, my favorite formula ever. Can I say that? This brand reached out to me and it was like a godsend. It's like matte but moisturizing. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the look. This is it. I love it. It's so summery and just bright, vibrant. I love it. So I hope you guys liked it and I'll keep you updated on my pants situation. So I guess I will see you guys next time.